Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? We just hit 90,000 subscribers and we're on our way to 100,000. I never thought this hobby would turn into a part-time job. Thank you for your continued support. In today's video, we'll talk about some rare 1976 Bi-Centennial quarters, how much they sold for, and why they sold for so much. Let's get right into it. Here's a 1976 Bi-Centennial quarter. You can tell right away that this is an off-center strike, and it's drastic. This quarter was struck 50% off-center. It's more common to see slightly off-center strikes on coins, but the more off-center the strike, the more value a coin generally has. Ideally, you want the date on the coin so you know what year it's from, but there's no doubt that this coin was minted in 1975 or 1976 by the unique bicentennial design on the back or reverse of this quarter. After this quarter was discovered, it was submitted to NGC for grading, and it came back as Mint State 64 on a scale from 1 to 70. This quarter was sold at auction for $420. I talk about a lot of error coins on this channel, but let's not forget what really makes a coin valuable. It boils down to scarcity and condition. Scarcity is referred to as population, and population refers to the amount of coins known to exist in a particular grade for that year and mint mark. This is a 1976 D Bicentennial quarter. The D means it was minted in Denver. This quarter was graded Mint State 68, which is definitely a high grade. You can see a few bag marks, but don't be concerned about the brown spots on the quarter. That's just toning, and it doesn't affect the grade of your coin. Grade is mainly based on the amount of wear on your coin. According to PCGS, there were more than 860 million 1976 Philadelphia and Denver quarters minted. At the time of the sale of this coin, only 6 were graded as Mint State 68 by NGC and only 11 graded Mint State 68 by PCGS, with none graded finer than this. Because of the rarity of this bicentennial quarter and the low population, this coin sold at auction for $1,740. Here's a decent looking 1976 Denver minted quarter. It graded a Mint State 66, which is an okay grade, but it's not that big of a deal for this particular year. The value of this coin is due more to the special variety. Errors in varieties can be confusing at first. A coin error is when something unique happens to one particular coin, like an off-center strike, brockage, or a double-struck coin. A variety is when coins are struck with a die anomaly, and this causes the same condition to be minted on every single planchet the die comes into contact with. This variety is called a double die. During the creation of the die rotated between strikes with the hub. This caused the die to be created with some of the coin features doubled. Every single quarter struck with this die is the same variety. This double die has been designated FS101, and the doubling is located on the head side or obverse of the coin. This is referred to as DDO for double die obverse. The pictures from heritage auctions aren't as clear as they should be. Here are some pictures from one of the best websites on double dies called doubledie.com. You can clearly see the doubling on every single letter of the word Liberty, and the site also points out some die markers that can help you determine if your DDO is the FS101 variety. This coin sold at auction for $8,400. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching.